How to see someone's liked videos on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you the easy way to see someone's liked videos on TikTok. First step is to launch TikTok app on your device. Make sure to sign in or log into your particular account. So here are the different ways to see someone's liked videos on TikTok. The first step you can follow is checking if their likes are public or not. For that, go to anyone profile at the TikTok. So if you see the heart like icon below their profile picture, that means that they have set their liked videos to public and we are able to see. But here is no any heart shape icon below the profile picture. That means that they have set their liked videos to private. So we have to respect the privacy of this user. Also, if this person is known by you, then you can directly ask them to show their liked videos directly. So, you can also use a third party app, but it is not recommended. That will help us to see the someone's liked videos. But if you are unable to see the liked videos, it's likely because the person has set them to private, which means only they can view them. So, these are the some of the ways. I hope this video was helpful and informative. Thank you and subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos.